If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is equal to 5 is to 6, find A is to B is to C. Now, in such questions, you can write down the three alphabets in a straight line A, B, C. Now, the first ratio is A is to B, so we can write it down in the first line 3 is to 4. Second ratio is B is to C, so we can write it down in the second line as 5 is to 6. Now, if we see this as a table, you will find that these two cells are vacant. So the vacant cells have to be filled by the corresponding horizontal neighboring value. So therefore 4 comes over here and 5 comes over here. Now multiply these numbers vertically. So we have here 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6 are 24. And hence that is your answer. 15 is to 20 is to 24. Option A.